Hello everyone, this is Peggy from Peggy B Designs, and today I have a unboxing for you. Oh, I almost forgot what it was called. It's early. I hope everybody else is having a very nice early morning or afternoon or evening, whenever you get around to watching this. This is Blue Moon. It's by Diamond Dotz. Look at that moon. I can't wait to get started on it. It's just sort of a full partial, because this right here, the black part, is the only part you don't do. Everything else you do. So, let's get into it. Sorry for my throat this morning. You know the drill. This time, I have coffee. I made a mistake in not having coffee the other morning, and I kept having to clear my throat. Here is the drills. We will look at them later. Let's look at the canvas, shall we? I got this at Walmart. I guess it's one of their new ones. This was $9.88. It's the same time I got the boho quartet. Oh, and I will be having a finish. And I'm sorry, I should have finished it with y'all. I mean, it took me probably no more than 30 minutes extra. I don't know why I didn't just finish the canvas along with all y'all. If I'm that close next time, we will finish it, whether we go over the time or not. I don't think y'all would mind, do you? Okay, let me get this. Try to get it straightened here. Okay, come on. Going to be a lot of color blocking, I can tell. Not very much confetti. I don't know why these edges aren't wanting to. Let's see this right here. Oh, there's a house. I did not know that. And there's the, I guess the mailbox, or just a lamppost, or not a lamppost, but just a sign with a, it's got a, let's see, got a little squirrel on it. That's his little tail up there. Can't really tell unless you really look, you know, really close, but it's got a little squirrel on it. I guess it's their mailbox. This is a house. But isn't it pretty? It should, with it, a lot of color blocking, but there is some confetti. I mean, that's a lot of colors right in there. Let's see. As you tell, the drill field is pretty good. I guess these are supposed to be birds. It has 27 colors, and I think this last one is the ABs, because it is all the stars, and we want those to pop out, don't we? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's not as much. There's more confetti than I thought. There is a lot of confetti. I thought it was going to be a lot of line blocking, but no. So, there's a lot of different colors in the moon, much less the sky. But hey, that's fine. I don't mind that. I'm doing one right now that, oh my goodness, the confetti. It is something. Okay, let's look at the drills. Come on, out you go. You have your basic, a little better basic kit. You have your pen, your gripper, a four-piece wax, your boat, and three. You have a 3 and a 6 and a spacer. Multi-placing thing. So let's go through the drills. Oh, I already see maybe not too much static, but it's pretty purple. Now they make their own drill, so this is not DMC. It's not the DMC colors. That's pretty. That, I don't know right now what I'm going to kit it up in. Okay. Got some full bags here. Well, not completely full, but pretty good. Let's see if any of these are the same. 11, 12. Yep. These are the same. These 2 bags. And there's that little bit. Okay. Train 1. Now here's the next one. Pretty. For it being the night sky, it's got some pretty colors. It's got a little static. You have to get the thing out, the dryer sheets. And that, yeah, that's your AB. Let's see if I can get it close enough. Come on. I think you can see the, and you might be able to see the, oh, by the way, I ordered the overhead arm for my camera. Ordered it yesterday on the 29th, and it will be here Saturday. So, hey, that'll give me the weekend to test them, do some test runs, and hopefully I won't have to fool with this tripod too much longer. And I'm getting a diamond painting. I had to get a diamond painting, right? I'm hoping to get one on the 2nd from Walmart, another one, Diamond Dotz ones, but I've got to get a boss fan. Ours died. Yeah. It wasn't really that old, but it kicked the bucket. But, yeah, you can get a new one of those, because summer's coming. But, yeah, like I said, this has got 27 colors. Let's see what the dimensions are. Okay, 27 colors, 10,592 diamonds. It design, come on, throat. Design size is 11 by 14 inches, or 28 by 35 and a half centimeters. Then you got your fabric size, which is from scalloped edge to scalloped edge. And these are scalloped and poked, so they will not fray. Fabric size is 13.8 by 17.1 inches, or 35 by 43. I do know words, and yes, it is early, but get with it. 43.5 centimeters. I'm sorry. Yeah, these are 6 and 3s. The multi-dot heads. It says you have one high-quality colored printed fabric piece, and then it gives the fabric size. Diamond Dotz stylus, one craft tray, one wax piece, one comfort grip, one push tool, that is the spacer, and 2 pieces of multi-dots heads, the 6 and the 3 placers. But it teaches, there's your instruction sheet, plus I don't know what I did with the one I pulled out, because it has an instruction sheet that comes with it. I should have showed that to y'all. Where'd it go? I don't know. Anyway, anywho, and this is the thumbnail, and see, it shows in the white that you do not do the bottom, which is all the black. Right here, I think it would have been okay to have people do them. It could have turned out okay, but hey, that's okay. We do the sky, we do the birds, we do the moon, and that's so pretty. And if I had any idea about what I was going to kit this up in, we probably would go ahead and kit it up. 32. Let's see if I should have, excuse my arm. Oh, that's my dragon. Can't wait to get started on that. I got a few things. Oh, sorry. Have I started on the container for these? No. I've been lazy. I've been diamond painting. How about we kit this up? I think we can do that. Let's see. We will need, not Mr. Pumpkinhead. Go away. Oh, come on. Oh, excuse me. I do not want to. Yes, I need you. Thank you. Goodness gracious. This is not what I was planning, but hey, that will be fine. I think, since I didn't finish the thing the other day, let's just go ahead and see if we can get this kitted up. Oh yeah, this is the blue moon. Okay, yeah. Don't want to put it upside down, do we? This is going to take 2. I'll just put that on 1. There we go. Let's hope some of these aren't as... Why have you got a string on you? I am going to put 2, 3, 4. We will start with these. I will oh, there we go. I'm going to need my scissors. Oh. An impromptu kit up. Oh goodness, where's my scissors? I just had them. Oh, I see them. Another swallow of my coffee. Because, I mean, if I didn't kick this up or do something, it's going to be a very, very short video. Oh, I want to thank all my new subscribers. I am up to 177, I think. I'm so happy. Oh, I got me another couple of, well, it'd be 4 books, audio books. The Black Witch Chronicles. I think that would be cool. Going into halfway to Halloween. I know. Everybody says that March. No, April. April is the halfway. No. April is it's the 4th month. Oh my goodness. It's month 4, not month 5. 4. I mean, if you count, okay, not too much static. Where's my thing? There we go. If you count how many there are, with May coming up being the 5th month, and then October being the 10th month, there's your halfway. It's May, and everybody's like, oh, it's the end of April. Now, you do you, boo, but for me, it's May. 5 and then 10. But yeah, I need some Halloween canvases is what I need. Oh, come on. We'll go down that way then. I'd like to be able to get to where I can do events. That would be fun. I have no idea how to get one started, but hey, I would love to be able to do a halfway to Halloween event. I don't know if anybody does them. Oh, if they do, please let me know. Come on open. Because I would do my best. Oh, don't need that yet. Need this. I would do my best to get a Halloween canvas. Yeah, I've got, like I said, I've got a canvas on the way, along with the arm. I guess that's what you call it, an arm for the camera. It's fancy. I hope I can. Well, I've got a good, strong, table here, so it should have something really good to clamp onto. I can't wait to get them and test it out. Then I will have another. I'll have some more. Yes, I'll have an unboxing for the canvas. Guess it'll weigh. That would be well, I would have to unbox it, wouldn't I? So, yeah, have an unboxing of what I got. I am so with it today. Okay, let's see if let's get this, just in case. Let's see if it's going to, yep, there we go. Ooh, pretty, and very full. That barely made it. Okay. Number 7. This one's pretty full too. Come on. This might be. Oh, I knocked off one of the things that it got on me. Oh, this is going to take 2. Okay. It hit my leg and that was funny. Okay. Okay, we don't have to have that done too many times because, let's see, it's 27 colors and 32 layers. Oh. So, maybe it shouldn't it? Even if we have extra. Most of these are like very tiny. I keep, well, I'm going to have to clean up, aren't I? I keep knocking the tops of these off into the floor. Clean up on aisle 5. 8. Wait a minute, that was 8, wasn't it? Oh yeah, okay. Why we got 2 8s? And it's a, they give me 2 8s, but they're different colors. Let's see, there's a 7. Hold on to that. 7, 1, 4, 2. Now, how did you get there? Oh no. That's not 3. That's 13. How did 13 get into the first package? 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, and then the 13. Oh, that's how. Oh goodness. So this could be 13. Just a moment. 13 is T's. Teach me to look before I open, right? There's a small T and I can't find it. It must be in the moon. Okay, don't you spill. Yeah, that's in the moon. Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, people. You got a noisy car. Alright, let me fix this. That is going to be number 13 that I put in the number 8 section. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This should, oh, it's got 2 12s, so we will put this right here. And we will get a okay. Ah! Why are you doing that? It's going to be one of those days. Okay. I think it is. Okay, now where is 8? There it is. Make sure you have the right one. There we go. That could have been bad. Like, that don't look right. Let's hope this fits. Where's my funnel? I don't know where this is going to be placed in the playlist, because I have unboxings. Well, I don't really, yeah, I have unboxing. No, it's not going to. Okay. I have unboxings and I have kit ups, and I'm doing both. I don't know. Oh. 14. 11. Okay. I'm going to have to move the 13 over. Okay. And this is 12. Where's my thing? Oh, there. Okay, there's another 11. Well, it's going to definitely take 2. Okay. Because we have 2 bags. Yep. Both of those are 12s. And it might take a whole strip. Stay. Let me just go ahead and get this. I will situate everything after we get everything done, and I'll, because this is probably going to take a whole strip for 12. Why are you sticky? Good morning to you too, phone. Just as long as I keep the numbers correct. Right. Okay, let's see. Nope. Oops. Let's see, did I get all of them up? There's one. Alright. Might take just 3, I don't know. Okay, that's it. Alright, let's see if this is going to take more than one. Nope. Okay, we only have, it's only going to be 3. Like I said, I will fix where they're at. Alright, let's get the next. Back cut apart. I do know words. I really do. Okay, 14, 15. I can keep them in order. Oh goodness. The canvas I'm getting is a little kitty cat, and I have seen diamond painting by Laura. I've seen her do that one. It is so adorable. So, and I needed one for DP for Pets by Daphne of Diamond Painting Anonymous. And once again, I will have theirs. In the description box. So I gotta find out when. I think it's in June. A DP for Pets. Diamond Painting for Pets. 15 and 14. So, yeah, there we go. Alright. 14. That's it. I'm just going to place them, and I will, like I said, redo. Oh, no nose. I don't need to sneeze. Quit. You know how your nose gets that tingle and you know you're going to sneeze? Don't need to do that. Okay, this was 15. I hope I am staying in frame. I always look like I am, and then I'm not, or yes I am, or maybe after I get the overhead, that will all be a thing of the past, wondering. Where's that? Oh, there it is. That's like, what in the world? Oh, don't cut that open till you get a thingy do open. And I haven't seen any more of these, so I might have to, you know, either just be happy with the ones I've got, or you know, these little containers. They sure do come in handy with these smaller kits. There is a 10-pack of the double. It has I think it has 7. I've got a big one. I'll get it in a little bit and show you. But it comes in a pack of 10. I was like, yep, I want that one. Get me a couple of packs, a couple of boxes of those. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's the right. Okay. Some of these are hard because everybody's been like, oh, I don't like those because they're so hard to open. And yes, some are. I want to get that little, they got a tool that you can get that helps you open things, and yeah, I'd like to get me one of those. Because some of these are pretty hard to open. Can you believe that this is the last day of April? Time is flying. Which means pretty soon the comfortable weather will be, oh Lord, uber hot. Come on, all fit in. Thank you. Ooh, pretty blue. But it's beside an orange. I know, orange and blue, they go together so pretty. It's also auburn colors. Ooh, don't like that. And this one is the same. I had to put tape on this one to keep it closed. Now I'm probably going to have to do that on this one, because, and that is the problem with these two. But I do like them. Well, that one is staying. Okay. I mean, they're $1.44, so, you know, they're pretty cheap. Let's see, which ones am I doing? 20. I guess I need to put 19s on that, don't I? I didn't do that. And this one is 20. Nope. Anybody gonna do things? I know this is just going into May, but I am going to get out my winter solstice for July, for Christmas in July. It is a Christmas/winter canvas from Diamond Art Club, but I'm going to pull it out for Christmas in July. I think somebody's got an event for that. I think I heard something about that. Not sure. I need to get some more of it done. Two. Oh, come on. Thank you. Down to the last few. I will. Let's see. 24, 25, 26, and then the 27, wherever it is. 5, 6, 7. I'm not going to use that one. Where is my? There they are. Oh, there's 4. So I am going to have to use it. Okay. Come on, get down. Jump in. Okay. Like I said, I will put either get another one if I have one little section handy. That's the 24. Okay, 25, 26, and 27. 26 people. I was like 25, 26, 27. I put 2 27s down. Oh goodness. Yes, I wonder any of these are in the correct spot. Alright. You can go this way. Okay. 25. Where'd they go? There it is. Oh my goodness. I'm ready for this to be over. Okay. Nope. Excuse my arm one more time. Let me get a different color tray. Thought I'd let you see the pretty colors. There we go. Now, there we go. Isn't that pretty? The ABs. Not many of them, but like I said, these are probably more than likely going to be the stars. Okay, here is my unboxing and my impromptu kit up. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you stay with me for my next video. Give me a like, a comment, even if it's even if it's a bad one. I don't care, because a lot of things went wrong, didn't they? But we're all like having fun, right? Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't, please don't unsubscribe. Come back and we will have more laughs and more fun. And until then, I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.